In this course, we work with Wondershare Filmora video editing software. To use this software, you need Mac or Windows operating system. To get 30 days free trial, simply open your browser and in URL simply type filmora.wondershare.com and then press enter. And here you see they have two different video editing apps. One is called Filmora, which is for desktop, and another is Filmora Go. And this is a full-feature mobile editing app. In this course, we work with desktop version of Filmora. To get 30 days free trial of Filmora, simply click on Learn More. If you are using Mac, then select Mac, or if you are using Windows, then choose Windows. And then click on Free Download. Our installer is downloaded. Simply open this app and install this in your PC. But I already have installed Filmora software in my computer, that's why I just skip this. Alright. If you want to purchase this software, then simply click on Buy Now. They have two different packages. To get 1 year license for one PC, you need $39.99. To buy lifetime license of Filmora software, for one PC, you need $59.99. Also, they have multi-users package. If you have multiple PCs and want to install Filmora software on those computers, then choose number of PCs from this drop-down and purchase license for them. In our next lecture, I will give you a brief overview of Filmora video editing software interface. Thank you so much for watching.